Okay, all you gym buffs, it's the end of January going into February, and guess what? You still sticking with it? Well, I've got some great tips for you today to help you burn up to 275 calories in 30 minutes, and you don't need any of this equipment. You don't need anything to do but these very creative ways to do that. They're so simple, but they really add up. So not every tip I'm gonna give you just right now is going to get you to 275 calories. The lowest one is 100. But if you do these and you add these to your daily routine, or make sure you kind of incorporate them into what you're doing, you can go to the gym, but you can also do this without going to the gym and lose weight. So very, 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 very easy. The first thing you do is clean house. You know, I don't know if you're messy, I don't know if you're neat, but cleaning house is one of the greatest ways to burn about 175 calories. If you do that for 30 minutes, just putting things away, sweeping up, running the vacuum cleaner, dusting, 175 calories in 30 minutes. You know, that's not quite a candy bar, but it's a big piece off of your daily total. How about just walking? Maybe you want to walk the dog, or just walk for 30 minutes. A good brisk walk, not super fast, but not super slow, will burn up to 175 calories as well. Now, add to that staircases, going up a hill, 275 calories in 30 minutes. That is a candy bar, and that is a big piece off of your daily total of calories. We know that in weight loss, it's calories in, calories out. One has to be less than the other. So again, really, really pay attention to that calorie count and do these little tips, and then we'll take the edge off and give you a head start. Okay, this next one is really crazy. Did you know that chopping vegetables and fixing a meal prep, like if you're doing meal prep for the week, it needs to go for at least 30 minutes. Cooking for 30 minutes, chopping vegetables, stirring stuff, doing all of that movement, guess what? 200 calories. 200 calories just in 30 minutes for doing that. Okay, that's easy and it's awesome, and you should be doing meal preps anyway so that you kind of control your dietary intake of calories, right? The last thing is so simple, and I just did a video on Marie Kondo's tidying up, and I didn't know at the time that I did it that guess what? You burn calories organizing your house too. Isn't that crazy? You can burn up to 200 calories in 30 minutes just organizing a closet, cleaning up and organizing a room, the garage, whatever. So yes, does that mean that if you go an hour, you double the calorie count? It certainly does. These are easy, simple ways to break that weight loss plateau, to get that movement going, to get those calories burned. And you know what? That's what it's all about, right? It's all about staying healthy and staying on tracks, and that's what I want you to do. So thank you for taking the time to watch this today. I hope you put these tips to use, and let me know in the comments section how they work for you, and give me some ideas I can share with other people. That would be great. I would certainly be willing to do that. Please subscribe, and also share this information and these tips with your friends and family who are on their own weight loss or healthy lifestyle path. It'll be a big help to them. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more on how to be healthy the easy way.